Good morning, everyone. It is 6:30 and we're going to Discovery Cove today. I killed my microphone, so it's out of battery. So this video is probably gonna have some wacky audio just because you're gonna be hearing a ton of people behind me also. Whatever, it's probably not that big of a deal. Yeah. Okay, so this is the lobby that I never showed you guys. Pretty cool. Whoa, holy cow.
I like the lamps. I just have plugged in.
Holy cow, I'm so tired. Discovery Cove. We made it, Bo. Yeah. Jeez, there's so much going on in here.
His name's Boomer?
Boomer.
That's fun. Check him out.
What are you feeding? Waxworms.
What?
He looks fat. How cute.
It looks like
Are they nocturnal? Oh,
They are.
They're nocturnal? Okay.
So really it's his dinner before you...
Correct.
And
So
what?
his
Oh, you
snout he usually digs with.
What do you say
And his massive claws, which you can see right here.
Whoa.
Oh,
Good job, Becky.
he's a
Claws
boy.
is nasty, bro. We're on our way to breakfast now.
Yeah.
Super hungry. I didn't eat a lot last night. Super hungry. I don't know what they have. Probably the stereotypical breakfast, like pancakes, waffles, egg, bacon, sausage. Mom, why you walk so fast? Gotta get to breakfast! Wow. That's the dolphin swimming area over there. We swam with the dolphins when we came 2 times ago, if that makes sense. Bro, what? So that's like the free dive place, sort of. You just swim with a ton of random fish. And then there's sharks behind glass, like way back there. I don't know what they're doing though. Squirrel! This is what breakfast is looking for everybody. This is a king's breakfast right here. Lydia ate and she's a little too hyper. So now we're about to go snorkeling in that pool.
You have to have your vest on. You have to.
Oh, that's right. Oh, wait, I want my goggles on.
Can you take our picture?
Oh, yeah.
Here with Dad.
Dude! Oh my word, I cannot get in.
She calls me brother. There ain't nobody we cannot be without. We don't need nothing except each other. But there's no reason to say it out loud. Ooh, set up for you tonight. I feel.
My grandpa fell asleep. Looks like he's dead.
Forget it for a while. We're not just friends. I know you want me to stop the time. To stop the time. I've got enough. Don't wanna know it. It gets enough for you. I'll give it a chance. Living your life. I need to tell it. You could have known it's gonna be a last dance. Ooh, set up for you tonight. I feel the beating of your heart in your shoe. Forget it for a while. We're not just friends. I know.
So after diving with stingrays and fish and whatnot, when the water dries, salt,
No, we're gonna get in the lazy river.
and wash the salt water off, and then we're gonna go have lunch. But I'm barely even hungry right now, but if I don't eat now, then I won't be eating until 7 and it's 1. So I kind of have to eat right now. I had a big fat breakfast. It was so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, and the lazy river is so warm. Holy cow. This is so nice. Oh. Oh my gosh. There's ducks. That's funny. What are ducks doing here, bro? So this is what lunch is looking like for me. We got a big squad. There's a lot of calories right here. I don't even want to know how many there are, but it's about to be so good. That stuff got smacked. Listen to all the birds. Paka, paka, paka. Look at the water. Look at that flower. See you later, Bo. Oh. So at the end, I ended up falling asleep for like the last hour. Then I woke up and it was time to go. So I don't know. It was a good
Yeah.
But it doesn't have.
Yo, look at the sunset. This is crazy. Bro, that's so dope. So I have footage across like 3 different cameras, so editing's gonna be a little pain in the butt. Oh. What's up, bro?
I heard you.
Little lobster.
I know, I'm so burnt.
Goodness gracious. Might as well just call you Larry. That's the end of the video. Peace out. I forgot to pack underwear, so the rest of the day I'm just going commando, don't tell anyone.